Hi, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Okay, good days will come after Corona, sure. We should pray for that. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about a new lesson, our India. Our India and its neighbors. Our India and its neighbors. Our India and its neighbors. You know, my dear children, India is a land of great diversity. What do you mean by diversity? Diversity is the condition of having variety. India is a land of great diversity. Diversity means it's having a condition of variety. We know variety. We all are expecting to get variety things. We need to variety food, we need variety dress, we need everything variety only we are expecting. Okay, so the India is a land of great diversity. Diversity means the condition of having variety, which means in India people are not same everywhere. That is meant by variety. If it is same everywhere, we cannot say it is variety. People are not same everywhere. Their language is different, their food style is different, they are following religion, customs and tradition, everything is different. That is why we are telling India is the land of diversity. Everything is different from one another. But you know one thing, my dear children, India having different varieties, or the people are following different types of religion, or they are speaking different types of languages, or they are eating different kind of food items, even though they all are one. They all are one. They shared values. They are united by shared their values, which means their mind have a strong feeling they all are Indians. All the Indian people have a strong feeling they all are Indians. That is the unity. So by following these diversities, these varieties, the people are keeping their mind, they all are one, they all are Indians. That is why we are telling India is the land of great diversity. Okay, I think you all are understanding. India is the land of great diversity. The reason is the Indian people are following different types of customs and traditions or religious beliefs. Indian people are speaking different languages. Indian people are eating different types of food style, not same everywhere. That is why we are telling India is the land of great diversity, and we are telling India there unity in diversity. Unity in diversity. Why we are telling in India there is unity in diversity? By following all these things in different way, but their mind have a strong feeling they all are Indians. Okay, that is why we are telling India is the land of great diversity, and India is the land of unity in diversity. Okay, next, in India, it's a big country, we know, in the 7th largest country in the world. That is why, like a big country, it is very difficult to govern. So, in order to govern very easily, India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. In order to govern, in order to control, or in order to administrate very easily, India is divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. Okay, this is all the introduction about India. If we are telling India is the great diversity, land of great diversity, and India has unity in diversity, all things we discussed. And in order to govern it very easily, India has 28 states and 7 union territories. Okay, and the another one thing we are going to discuss. In India, there is a different types of landforms, which means there we are telling physical features of India. Physical features of India. India has different types of landforms. So, basis of these physical features of India, India can be divided into 5 main regions. Physical region. India have 5 main regions, which are the northern mountain, mountains. Second one, northern plains. Third one, Thar desert. Fourth one, peninsular plateau. And the last one, coastal plains and islands. Okay, these are the physical regions of India. Mainly, India can be divided into 5 main regions. These are the northern mountains, northern plains, Thar desert, peninsular plateau, and coastal plains and island. These are the main physical features of India. Okay, next we want to discuss one more thing, India's neighbors, which are the India's land boundaries. That also we need to discuss. Okay, neighbors of India. Okay, which are the neighbors of India? India has located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. South part, we already studied north, south, west and east. And we know there are 7 continents, which are the Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. And India lies in the Asian continent. Which side? In the southern part of the Asian continent. India lies in the southern part of the Asian continent. Okay. And India has mainly 7 land boundaries. 7 land boundaries or 7 neighbors, which are the Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, and the 7th one is Bangladesh. Okay, these are the 7 land boundaries of India. You know, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Bangladesh. So, in order to make it your study very easily, you can make it as a song. How? Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Aha, Afghanistan. Oh, Pakistan. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Bangladesh. Okay, these are the lessons today. We discussed already. I told you we are going to discuss now India and its neighbors. India is the land of great diversity. Why we are telling it is diversity? Because the diversity means the condition of having variety. Can you see all the people are speaking same language? No, we cannot say such a way, because in India, all parts of our country different people are speaking different types of languages. They are following different types of dress style. Their food is different. Their everything is different from one place to another place. That is why we are telling India is the land of great diversity. Even though by following this whole diversity, they are keeping their mind, their strong feeling, they all are Indians. That is why we are telling India is the land of unity in diversity. And next we discussed about India's physical regions. I told you which are the physical regions, main physical regions: northern mountains, northern plains, Thar desert, peninsular plateau, coastal plains and island. Okay, next we discussed India's neighbors or land boundaries: Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Bangladesh. For make it easily, you can sing like a song also. Okay, and that only today our discussion. And I am going to give you one more thing. Sri Lanka also there is an island country. It lies southeast of India. Okay, Maldives also, it's a group of island which lies the southwest of India in the Indian Ocean. And today, and the last part, I am going to give you a homework. You should find out these all the neighbors. It's a direction. Which side of India, Afghanistan, or which side Pakistan? So all these direction you should find out and write in your SS diary. Note it very clearly. Okay, take the map of India and find out the neighbors, which side it lies. One example I will say, the northern side India shares boundaries of Nepal, Bhutan and China. Okay, in the north side Nepal, Bhutan and China. So which side other boundaries are locating? You should find out that. That is the homework for you. Okay, thank you.